cosec. Cosec has restrictions as well, but cosec theta is 1 on sine theta. So what's our restriction? The restriction is sine theta cannot equal 0. Right? So where does that mean that the graph is undefined? It's undefined at a few places, but it's whenever sine theta equals 0. Okay? So when sine theta equals 0, that's where it's undefined. So for the domain of 0, etc., etc. Alright, for this domain, cosec is undefined where? Where is it undefined? Where are our asymptotes?
180 and 360.
Alrighty. Let's try and crack on. Okay. So, 2 more points to make about cosec. 2 more points to make about cosec. Alright. If sine theta equals 1, then what does cosec theta equal? If sine theta equals 1, cosec theta has to equal 1. Right? Because it's 1 over sine theta. So if sine theta is 1, it's 1 over 1. Which is just 1. Okay? Okay, so in the domain, of our section there, cosec equals 1, cosec theta equals 1, when theta equals what? There's only one spot where it equals 1. At 90 degrees. And cosec equals minus 1 at what point?
270.
270. Okay. Last little point. The interval or period for this one is what? When does the pattern start repeating again? After what number?
260.
360. Because it's an upwards and then a downwards, and then it'll be an upwards and downwards again. But that's after 360. Okay? So 360 is our interval period. And does it have an amplitude?
No, because it doesn't go from 0.
Doesn't have to start from 0 to have an amplitude.
Well, yes.
It just has to have a minimum or a maximum.
It has a minimum.
And there's actually no minimum or maximum.
No, there isn't.
So no amplitude. Okay. No amplitude for that one.
I mean, it can't equal less than 1, is it?
Of course it can.
Oh, yes it can.
Of course it can.
It can't equal between 1 and minus 1.
But there's no minimum or maximum.
Yeah.
Alright. one last bit, and then I'll pop up a GeoGebra thingy for you to have a quick look at. We have, what's our last one? Secant.
Okay.
Everyone's copied that down yet?
Yeah.
Alright, so,
Oh, okay, so it's like just moved like half.
restrictions for secant. Alright, is going to be what? Based on the fact that cosecant had sine theta can't equal 0, what will secant be?
Cos theta can't equal 0.
Because they complement each other. It's literally what the co part of cosecant means. Okay? So for our domain again, for that domain again, alright, sec theta is undefined where? Where is it undefined? Just where our dotted lines are. Where our asymptotes are, which is
90 degrees.
90.
70 degrees.
and 270. Okay. Alright, if cos theta equals 1, what will sec theta equal?
1.
1. Pretty simple, isn't it? Alright, so for the domain, (0 to 360), for that particular domain, sec theta equals 1 when theta equals what? There are 3 spots. Well, there's 2 spots really.
0, 180, 360. But
0 and for
180.
1 is 0 and 360.
360.
And then sec theta equals minus 1 when theta equals our 180. Okay? Alright. What does our interval / period equal?
270.
So when does the pattern start repeating itself?
360.
At 360. And is there an amplitude?
No.
No. Because there's no minimum, no maximum.